Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marinel T. Balag, 42 years old. I live in Cubag, Cabagan, Isabela. I'm blessed with three children. Ages are 23, 13, and 9 years old. I am a cheerful, honest, and hardworking person. I can work under pressure with less supervision. I love to learn new things and I can follow my employer's instruction. As a mother, I am very loving and patient to my children. I teach them how to be respectful and kind at all times. I want to work abroad to support my family and to give them a better future and to support the schooling of my children. I have work experience as a housemaid for 5 years, finished contract in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I serve one couple with one child, boy 4 years old. My duties are taking care of the child, preparing his things to go to school, and fetch him to the bus stop. I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, cooking meals, washing dishes, doing the laundry, and ironing. I work also in Hong Kong for 18 months. I serve one couple with two children, 2-year-old and a newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the kids. I feed them, bathing, changing diaper, and attending to the baby when crying, cleaning around the house, cooking meals, washing dishes, and laundry. Unfortunately, I did not finish my contract because I went home due to family emergency. To my future employer, Ma'am Sir, my name is Marinel Balag. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and patient with the children. I promise to give you my best service, treat your family like my own, and treat your children with patience and tender loving care. Ma'am, Sir, I hope you will choose me as your housemaid and hope to see you soon. Thank you, Ma'am, Sir.